Did you know that heart attacks can show symptoms a month before they occur? Quite a thought, isn't it? The ability to recognize these early signs could mean the difference between life and death. That's why we're here today, to discuss the 7 symptoms of heart attacks that may appear 1 month in advance. This knowledge could be crucial to you or your loved ones. So, without further ado, let's delve into it. Stay tuned to learn about these symptoms and potentially save a life. Firstly, unusual fatigue can signal an impending heart attack. It's important to understand that this isn't your garden variety tiredness. It's a kind of exhaustion that feels overwhelming, the type that can disrupt your day-to-day activities. This symptom is particularly common in women. Imagine feeling like you've just run a marathon, but all you've done is rise from bed. This isn't about dismissing your body's plea for rest. It's about acknowledging a potential warning sign. Remember, it's not about being merely tired. It's about feeling a level of fatigue that's notably out of the ordinary. Next up, sleep disturbances could be another warning sign. It's not uncommon to find yourself struggling to fall asleep or stay asleep. This could be due to the fact that your heart isn't pumping blood as efficiently as it should, leading to discomfort that disrupts your sleep. It's important to note that sleep disturbances have been linked to heart attacks, and they could be a symptom of an underlying heart issue. If you've been having sleep disturbances out of the blue, it might be more than just bad dreams. Moving on, shortness of breath and stomach issues also make it to the list. Now, these symptoms are not exclusive to heart conditions, and that's precisely what makes them so tricky. Both men and women can experience these signs, often mistaken for less serious conditions. Let's talk about shortness of breath first. Imagine feeling winded after a short walk, or gasping for air while sitting. It's as if you've just run a marathon without lifting a foot. This could be your heart trying to signal that something's not right. Moving to stomach issues, we're talking about nausea, indigestion, heartburn, or stomach pain. These might seem like the aftermath of a bad meal, but when they occur without apparent cause, they might be your body's alarm bells ringing. The key here is to understand that these seemingly common symptoms could potentially be indicating a much more serious issue. These symptoms might seem common, but if they're recurring, it's best to consult a healthcare professional. Lastly, but certainly not least, dizziness, chest pain, and irregular heartbeat are vital symptoms to watch out for. Feeling lightheaded or unsteady, especially when combined with discomfort or a squeezing sensation in the chest, can be a clear indication of a heart attack. It's like your body is sounding an alarm, warning you that something is not right. Now, let's talk about chest pain. It's often described as pressure, tightness, or a squeezing sensation in the center of the chest. It's typically quite intense and can sometimes radiate to the arms, shoulders, neck, jaw, or back. And let's not forget the irregular heartbeat. It's like your heart is beating out of rhythm, either too fast or too slow, skipping beats or fluttering. This irregularity can be a sign of a potentially serious heart condition, including a heart attack. These symptoms are not to be taken lightly. If they occur, seek immediate medical help. In conclusion, recognizing these symptoms can be a potential lifesaver. To recap, unusual fatigue, sleep disturbances, shortness of breath, stomach issues, dizziness, chest pain, and an irregular heartbeat could all be warnings of a heart attack 1 month in advance. These signs shouldn't be ignored. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's crucial to seek medical advice promptly. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Stay aware, stay healthy, and you might just save a life.